of programs of TKT Philippines Foundation, and with more than 25 years of experience in population and development, she has led the expansion of the Foundation's reproductive health and family planning program initiatives, including the SODEX program and the launch of the SODEX Mobile Clinic, helping bring these programs to underserved communities. Ladies and gentlemen, to deliver closing remarks, please join me in welcoming Ms. Loida Almendares.
Thank you, Joy. And once again, good morning, everyone. As we close this very meaningful celebration, I would like to take a moment to reflect on what Milestone truly represents. So today, we did not simply launch a floating clinic, but we launched a new pathway, a new service pathway, enriching communities and a renewed commitment from the DKT Philippines Foundation. To all our partners who joined us today, maraming salamat po for all your unwavering support, for your trust, and thank you for being part of this journey. Thank you for sharing our belief that reproductive health services should reach the last mile, that reproductive health services should be given to all wherever they are. So most importantly, thank you for the trust and the unwavering support. As we move forward, we will continue to champion access, we will continue to build partnerships, and we will continue to innovate. We will continue to go where the need is. So Hiraya becomes more than a vessel, yes, Romeo, and it becomes a vessel of hope, access, dignity, rights, and choice for the community it serves. So to everyone who helped us make this vision possible, Denise, thank you very much for the trust, all our partners, to the warm. We are excited to start our journey. So again, maraming salamat po.